Hi guys, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to use hexagon layouts PSD templates which are automated using Photoshop Actions. I will start with few examples of what you can create using hexagon layouts templates. Templates can help you when designing business cards, flyers, cover pages, book pages, websites and so on in case that you plan to use hexagon shapes to clip images, text, graphics, to simply blend hexagon shapes or to arrange hexagons with layer effects applied. Let's start with actions which you can load from Actions panel menu, Load Actions. Navigate to hex layouts.atn file which is in Actions folder and double click on it. That will load actions in Photoshop. The next step is to open any of the provided templates using File Open command. Navigate to Templates folder and you will see 11 templates with straight hexagon corners. To use template with round hexagon corners, expand Round Corners folder and double click on any template to open it in Photoshop. I will recommend to duplicate template from the image menu and to close original to preserve it. You can scale up and down template without any penalty in terms of quality. I will expand canvas for flyer design using canvas size dialog. I will also change resolution to 300 pixels per inch with a resample turned on, what will upscale or enlarge template to desired dimensions for print. In the layers panel you will see organized groups which you can use to select, move and scale hexagons. I will quickly rearrange them to get started. Let me add in some more elements in my design mockup. I plan to use images in my design and that's where actions will come in handy. Before running action, check number in template name, then run action with the corresponding number in the action name. Action will guide you to quickly populate template with images. Immediately after placing image, you can scale, rotate and move it inside hexagon shape. If you place wrong image, then select Smart Object layer with the image in the Layers panel and run a Replace Image action. If you want to rasterize Smart Object layers to lower file size, then run action Rasterize Number of Hexagons in Template Hex. This will lower the file size, but you will lose the ability to quickly replace the image and change what is visible inside hexagon shape. Thanks for watching and cheers. If you have any further question or support request, please do not hesitate to contact me. Support email is provided in help file which ships with the product.